everyone, my name is Sabrina and welcome to my channel. I just got back home and guess what happened? Yes, we have Happy Mail. Happy, happy, happy mail, happy mail, happy mail, happy mail, happy mail. Yes, and it is from Jamie. I know exactly what's in here. But regardless of that, I will take my coat and my bag off and I will be right back and I will open this wonderful happy mail with you guys. Here we are, happy mail. I am super excited. And Jamie, I just want to say thank you so much. I'm excited to open this package and I do appreciate this so very much. So thank you. I can't wait to open it. Thank you. Okay, I am back and I've got my shawl because it's really cold, freezing cold. So I want to keep warm. And there we are. I am ready to open my wonderful Happy Mail. So, as I said, this is from Jamie, and Jamie, thank you so much. I'm excited to open it. And, oh, whilst I'm talking about Jamie, I have to add that she sent me some pictures of some of her beautiful work. So talented, amazing newborn items. Lovely hats, cocoons. There was also a shark hat, which I loved. And she made an amazing Elvis outfit. I hope you don't mind me saying, Jamie, but really amazing things. And I just loved seeing her work. Just really good. So anyway, I will open this fantastic Happy Mail. Okay, I just want to make sure that I don't cut anything I'm not supposed to cut. No, it's all good. It's all good. So, let's get this out. Oh, what a beautiful card. It says, thinking of you. I will show you guys. Look at that. This is beautiful. I like it. Thinking of you. There we are. Isn't that pretty? This is so pretty. I love it. I might have to have a little corner, you know, where I get all my lovely subscribers cards specifically from, you know, you guys, and keep them and just cherish them. And I'm so thankful. Thank you so much. Just love that card. I love it. Okay. Oh, wow. Sabrina, just a little note to brighten up your day. Love and hugs, Jamie. And then she put as well, hi Sabrina, hope all is well. I am hoping you will enjoy using these Susan Bates hooks. I am so glad to have found you on YouTube. I love all your videos, and someday soon, when I finally caught up on all my whips, I will be able to make one of your patterns. Take care. Oh, thank you so much. Oh. Again, I'm choking up. This is just so cute. Thank you so much. I'm glad you enjoy all my videos, and it would be so nice if you do follow one of my tutorials, you know, that is optional, of course. Oh, what a lovely card. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, now, of course, here comes the wonderful things. Okay, so I will open up now. Just checking that my computer works. There we go. Ooh, Crochet Queen. Oh, look at that. So cute. Crochet Queen. I love that note. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, love that. Again, I'm going to keep that for sure. Ooh, there's some more. There's some more, you guys. This is like a little treasure thing. I'm opening up, and it says, crochet keeps my hands busy, my mind calm, my heart happy, and my family warm. Oh, that is so lovely. Look, I love these little notes. I will show you. I'm going to keep those notes. Look. Isn't that lovely? That is so thoughtful. It really is. Oh, and there's another one. I rescued yarn from being held hostage in a yarn store. I'm not a hoarder. I'm a hero. Oh, yes. Absolutely. Can't agree more. Look at that. Oh, I just love those notes. It's like a treasure. Oh, there's more. 10 rows a day keeps the psychiatrist away. Look at that. Oh, that's super, super, super amazing. There's more, guys. My doctor said I need more fiber, so I went to the yarn store. I think that one's my favorite. That has to be everyone's favorite. That's amazing. I love those. There's more. There is. I'm a yarnaholic on the road to recovery. Just kidding. I'm on the road to the yarn store. Then change my mind. This is my favorite now. This is my absolute top favorite. Look at that. I love the notes. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Jamie. That just alone just made my day. Thank you. Just amazing. Amazing notes. The time she took, just to write those out. That's just amazing. I really appreciate that. So thank you. And now, look at that. I got Susan Bates hooks. Oh yeah. Susan Bates. Look. Oh, aren't they lovely? Thank you so much. I need to have one in my hand immediately. I will get the red one because red's my favorite color. Oh, they do feel lovely. I like the feel of those hooks. And there's a lovely pink one. Look at that. Oh, yes. They feel really nice and soft, and like the yarn will glide nice and easily. These are perfect. Oh, I can't wait to try those out. I can't wait. Super excited. Oh, Jamie, thank you so much. These are amazing. Oh, I see. And it says on the pack the size of them right here. Like that. This is great. And I can use that as a conversion. Focus. From millimeters to the letters. It's not focusing. Okay, we'll try again. No? Oh, here we are. Oh, it was very brief, but it did work. So yeah. So I use mostly a number 4 millimeters, which in USA it's a G6. Yes, G6. Oh, I'm looking forward to try those. Probably today. I will try those today. Well, thank you so much, Jamie. I just absolutely adore those notes. And your card is amazing. And so computer because it played up again whilst I was doing my last segment. And it was a really important segment because I just really want to thank Jamie so much for all the lovely things, all my lovely notes, which I will absolutely cherish. And the wonderful card, it is beautiful, beautiful. And of course the wonderful Susan Bates crochet hooks. Oh, I love those, and I am itching to try those, so I will use them in a few minutes time, and I will continue with a project of mine. Oh, I can't wait to try those. So thank you so much, Jamie. I love it all. And also thank you to everyone who are all my subscribers, because it's important to keep thanking everyone now and again, you know, because I am extremely thankful. And there we are. Thank you everyone for watching. Especially a big thank you to Jamie for all my lovely things. Let's see it all one more time. There we are. And until the next time, happy knitting and crochet, everyone!